I never really knew what camaraderie was until I started this academy.
I think per Webster's it says agreement and trust and friendship within a group, and we have that.
I think it's just purely because of the people.
Everyone in this academy is a joiner.
The group of guys that we have here right now, there's nothing that compares.
It's really cool to be a part of an academy that did connect so well.
We're like brothers and sisters out there. We each have each other's back.
Just looking to your left and your right and knowing that those guys are right there struggling with you. And
it's been an experience unlike anything I've ever experienced.
There's no place else I'd rather be.
Good guys to hang out with. I'm proud to be with every single one of them.
I mean, these are the people I will be friends with for the rest of my life. It's amazing.